Coming to you from a packed studio. I'm going in after hitting this ganja. Out to dinner with the homies, private table at Nakama. I'm a new millennium Sinatra. Copper marijuana from the neighborhood rosters. Chiefin', feasting, king of the new school. I'm speaking in tongues, try translating voodoo. Hold up, let me start again. Undefeated shirt, Levi's, and a Mr. Rogers cardigan. It's a hell of a feeling, being this fresh. Spit seem to sit up on my lips, call it Blistex. Peddling this medical, the presence of a general. Magazine centerfolds, they all up on my genitals. Got the game in the palm of my hand. It's itching, wildin' out, better talk to your man. He bitchin', cause I ain't got a lot of time for these weirdos. Talking shit all up in my earlobes. I just live life, try and do it right. Everyone to hear me say the boy is super nice. Put a bitch up on the flight, she gon' be here by the night. Get some afternoon delight, only eat it if it's right. Call me Stanley Steamer, I be giving her the pipe. And when I'm out of town, she wanna see me, so we Skype. She might get obsessed and keep calling. 30,000 feet, Tom Petty free falling. Just laying back, letting gravity take its course. I wanna tell all of my haters that we made it, boy. From basement studios to some official shit. From stressed out all the times I don't give a shit. Used to dream about it, boy, now I'm living it. 412, it's the most dope syndicate. Had a normal life, but now I'm sick of it. Try and spend money just to spend it, it's ridiculous. Young and so mischievous. Bitch is. And then Rel wants me to sing a hook like this. La 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 la. Kids. Hey, Kool-Aid and frozen pizza. It's a work of art, I ain't talking Mona Lisa. Dream of rocking crowds, see me filling up arenas. This weed got me laughing like a damn hyena. Yeah, I live a life pretty similar to yours. Used to go to school, hang with friends and play sports. Every single summer taking trips to the shore. And that was all gravy, but I knew I wanted more. Ain't ever seen a young rapper like one. Can't believe they eyes, swear it's just a mirage. Still got my training wheels in the garage, but I ain't gonna need those, I'ma go hard. So far, I've done pretty well for myself. Couple trophies on the shelf, so what else could I want that I don't have yet? Well, a little more cash in my own fast jet, so I can go anywhere. Cali for the kush, cause boy, I know there's plenty there. About to be in music stores everywhere, but not yet. They can't understand my concept. I've been climbing up the Great Wall, haven't had a fall yet. These blogs gotta know I'm on next. Clean conscience, good Samaritan. Company send me clothes, so I'm wearing them. If you didn't know, well, I'm from the burg. Everything I drop recorded by a big germ. I smoke herb, then I make music. I don't even talk about it, boy, I just do it. Everybody got their own opinion, the reasons why they feeling them. You must admit he's killing them, running off adrenaline, waiting for the game to wanna let him in, so open up. The boy a barrel of a smoking gun, whether I'm old or young, the chosen one. I got 100 billion flows to come. I hope you know the lyrics to every single song, so when I'm at a show, everyone can sing along. My weed bag empty, bottle at its last drop. I'm feeling like this could be my last shot, but many more songs to make, cousin. So why the fuck you bugging? Yeah, just some motherfucking kids. We just some motherfucking kids. We just some motherfucking kids. We just some motherfucking kids. Shouts to all my fans, man. We just some motherfucking kids. Holding me down. We just some motherfucking kids. And all the homies. We just some motherfucking most dope. We just some motherfucking kids.
And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete. Nikes. And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete. Nikes. Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete.
Hey, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em. Blue suede shoes stay crispy like bacon. Nikes on my feet make my cipher complete. I stay shining like the lights on the street in the night. Revis take me shopping when I'm up in New York. Hit the shoe store, go and cop a few more. You at the mall getting dinner at the food court. I'm in LA eating 22 course. Young boss, bitch, paper in my pockets. I got a closet filled with shoe boxes. Mom said my spending habit a little bit obnoxious, but a pilot stay fresh up in his cockpit. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now buy some clothes, wear them out. Hit the club, bitches pull their cameras out. Living in a dream, they beginning to believe. My hotel smell like cigarettes and weed. Shit, with what I'm spitting, they should give me a degree. Good liquor, what I'm sipping isn't cheap. Finna blow, don't snooze, don't sleep. All I really need is some shoes on my feet.
And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete. Nikes. And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete. Nikes.